Yo, YouTube, what is going on? Now, you're watching this video because you want to know how to get free Visa cards in 2023. These are essentially virtual prepaid cards, and they are going to basically give you, I think it's $250, and you can do this as many times as you want. Just repeat the instructions I'm going to show you in this tutorial, and it will be in your local currency. So for example, you can see here I'm in the UK, and it's given me Great British pounds, but it will state dollars until you use them. So all you need for this method is your mobile phone, and it is so simple, guys. So I'm going to run through these steps now on how you can get your free Visa gift card codes, or basically prepaid virtual Visa cards. So grab your mobile phone, and you can see I have Google open here, and you need to go to this website, www.speedycoupons.com. So speedycoupons.com, and hit search, and you basically, this is the website, Speedy Coupons, the ultimate coupon site, and you'll recognize this homepage. Now basically, guys, you can see there is a search bar at the top, so tap on that search bar and just type in, I'm trying to type through the screen on my mobile. Just type in Visa, there we go, into the search bar, and you should see Visa Money gift card codes. Tap on that, and you can see there is a bunch of codes left, and this is basically Visa cards, gift cards. And here we go. So there are a couple of different codes. There is a $250 free Visa account gift card code. So that is the code that I've been using to get free money. And there is also a 50% off any Visa accepted checkout. So basically, guys, if the online checkout process on any website accepts a Visa, you can apply this code that this one will give you, and it's going to remove 50% off your cost. So choose the code you want. I'm going to be clicking on this top one, so show coupon, and this just confirms your choice. This is a $250 free Visa account gift card code, and you can see it says Visa, and the code has been sort of blocked out. Basically, guys, we need to unlock the full code. So to do so, tap unlock code. I'm just going to get a drink, guys. My throat's being a bit strange. And you're going to come across this screen, which is completely normal, and it's really easy. We just need to follow the instructions on this page to unlock your code. Basically, once you complete 2 of the things listed here, it's going to unlock your free Visa account credit card code. So there you got a list of tasks, and you can read a description below each one. So for example, this one here says have a chance to win an Argos gift card. Argos is like a UK website, but you're going to get different tasks depending on your country. And it says fill in your personal valid details. So this is pretty much a free survey. It's really easy, just answer whatever questions it asks. Doesn't really matter. And then you have to make sure you put in your correct valid email address, because this does obviously confirm you are a real person. So there's that one, and there's also, for example, this one says register, choose your boxes and start your trial. So this is like a free trial. I just need to basically follow the instructions here. So I'll get rid of the cookies. And basically it's going to, I need to just basically create a free account. So I just need to input my valid details in that one. So let me just pause the video, finish both of these, and then I'll return once I've done those. So you just saw the 2 I opened up. I basically made sure I fully completed both of them. I know it's annoying having to do this step, but we are getting free money from this. So you just have to make sure you fully complete whatever 2 of the things on this page you choose. I mean, they range from, you can even download games and just play to like a certain level. For example, this Family Island says download, then complete level 8, but they're always going to be completely free. So you just have to basically choose 2 to complete on this page. Once you've done that, you can go ahead, hit the tabs button, and you're going to see this page pop up down here, and it says Visa Money. So tap on that, and there you go. It has now given me my Visa account gift card code. So basically, guys, this code I can enter into any Visa accepted checkout, and it's going to give me $250. Alternatively, if you have a virtual Visa account, you can apply this gift card code and it's going to basically just give you a $250 balance. So basically, guys, the code you're going to see here is a prepaid Visa card code. So that is how easy it is. These codes can, like I say, be entered at any checkout. Alternatively, if you have a way to withdraw virtual Visa money, you can do that. Go ahead and go to speedycoupons.com to get yours, guys. If you need any help obtaining your codes, just leave a comment below. Please hit the like button if you successfully got yours. Like I say, get your code, apply it at any checkout that accepts Visa, and it's going to act as a $250 payment. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.